sir. I'm a racist. I hate people because of the way they look.
Hey guys, guess what?
What? You finally got Robux?
No.
Oh, well, it's my birthday in like 5 days, so I want some by then.
Just ignore her, Allison. What were you saying?
Well, I was saying that I got a BF, and I was wondering if I could add him.
BF? How did you get a BF before me? You're bacon.
Jessica.
What? I'm just joking. Go ahead and add him, Allison.
Yeah, okay.
He's probably just another bacon anyways, Lamau.
Allison has added Jacob.
Hey, babe.
WHED.
Hey, Jacob. These are my friends, Alyssa and...
I'm Jessica. Nice to meet you, Jacob.
Oh, hey.
This isn't fair. He has to be joking with her or something. There's no way he can like someone like her. What can I do? Maybe I can steal him from her.
Jess.
Oh, what?
We were just about to play too. Are you joining?
Yeah.
Okay, let's join.
Wait, Jacob.
Huh?
I know what you're doing. I know you don't actually like Allison. But don't worry. I don't like her either.
What are you talking about?
You don't have to lie to me, Jacob. It's okay.
Part 2?
Money, 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 money. Money.
Say.
That's so easy. Let's see what the GC got.
That's right, haha.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hey,
Hi.
What word can't you guys say?
I can't say G-O-Y.
I can't say WTH.
I can't say MRRY.
Those words are quite easy.
Yep.
Hey guy, wanna do a face reveal?
Good idea.
Okay.
Okay. Oh no, God, they will see my face.
I'll go first. This is me.
Bruh.
Pretty.
Slay.
Nice.
Thank you guys.
This is me.
Wow.
Cute.
Cool.
This is me.
Oh my god.
Gorgeous.
Amazing. This is.
I don't wanna see you.
Hey.
What make you say that?
He's noob.
But I want to see him.
Let's show your face, bro.
Okay, this is me.
Wait, Jake, marry me.
What the hell I'm getting?
Oh, Daddy.
Say bang, you alive. For take a bang, took a tang.
Boom, tang, tang, toon, tang, tigger, liggy. Fire the
Bang, bang on a dig it.
Whipple up, pickle, tang, tang on the.
Today I'm going to make an NPC kills leaderboard. It's right here. See kills, 0. Let's go get a zombie. That's an NPC. Brah. And we got a kill. All right, let's go ahead and kill this rig. Sweet. So I'm going to do 3 different weapons. I got the simple pistol, of course, right here. I did that in another video. And then we'll do one with a sword and then like with a slingshot or something crazy.
Guys, what game should we play?
Da Hood.
Adopt me.
Bro, stop asking to play Adopt Me. You ask for that every day.
But it's so fun.
Go play with someone else.
But I don't have any
YouTuber Pripidai to 917391173619371 to 347357 was banned from the group chat.
Okay, let's play Evade.
But I want to play Die Hood.
Too bad.
You never want to play Die Hood.
Okay, you know what?
What?
Best emo baddie in the world. Slay 63688888890261134-56374 Slay was banned from the group chat.
Okay, wanna play Evade?
Nah, Xiaoling wants to stay here.
Why do I even play with people anymore?
That one pro gamer king, the 2637836286628 3673827635738878 3628-928 3638-73638 and has left the group chat.
Okay guys, they are gone. Yay! Turn up the music. Okay. Okay, I'm finally done.
What the
I'm stuck as a virgin with Ray.